morning, everybody! What are you doing?
Eating.
Wait, what? Oh, she's having McDonald's because we're going to Bakersfield in a little bit. We are supposed to leave at 9, but we're still waiting on my tia. She's still not here. Oh yeah.
Going to Bakersfield on the favorite rocket.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Bakersfield. And yeah.
I'm gonna go take my grandma.
Why did you do that?
Because breakfast spread.
Can I have some ketchup from yours? Thanks, girl. Finally here. Hi, abuelita. ¿Dónde está, abuelita? ¿Dónde está? ¿En qué? They're all eating over there. We're going to the store. Say hi, guys.
Look out there.
Why are you running? Ay, we're gonna get run over. Huh? That's Lucero, Jackie, and Pedro. Pedrito, look. Ay, señor, what are you doing? That's illegal. It looks blurry. I see you. Le tomé video a Pedrito. Pedro, look. We came to the mercado to get raspados. There's music here.
Univisiones.
Univision is here. There's something going on here. What's going on?
Aquí un ratito.
Si quieres, sí.
Mano, vamos a estar frío.
Está bien. ¿A dónde quieres ir?
Raspados. What'd you guys get?
Ice cream.
What are you guys doing?
Taking up. Just put it right there. Just put it.
What are you gonna get? Original? That's so funny.
You should have brought my grandma.
You're so mean. Wow, there's nobody in there. We're finally home. I'm so tired. That's where you're gonna walk? What were you saying? Your knee hurts? Mine too.
No, I can't even bend.
What are those? No, it hurts right here, but I think because I was driving.
My
and I had
hurts
it
here.
bent.
They've been.
Okay, let me see. Lay down so I can fix it for you. Come on, girl. Where was it? Your knee right here?
No.
This one?
Right here.
Okay. What, you're telling me to fix it? Hurry up.
When I tell you to stop, you better stop.
Okay, hurry up so I can fix it. No sea
Bite
chillona.
on you.
No sea chillona,
Bite
Caro.
on you. Bite on
Stop. I
the
just want to see where it hurts.
camera.
I'm not going to fix it
But
then.
this slow.
Okay, well, I don't know where. Right here. Right here?
Right there. Bottom.
Right here.
Bottom. Right there.
Okay, here we go.
Ah! Wait, no, not there. At the bottom. Ah!
She says it hurts her back. I don't know. Sorry, wait. This is what I'm gonna eat. Capirotada. So bomb. Estoy sobando la niña malita. Ella me dijo que estaba echando mentiras.
No, actually hurts.
Oh, no vas a poder ir al paseo, sorry. Porque estás malita.
El otro.
Esa,
It hurts. Just kidding, it does hurt.
I have some special announcements for everybody. Are you guys ready for this? You guys will see. You need to hurry up so they can see your. It's more of a transformation for her. Really big transformation. Come on, hurry.
Girl, you're gonna be.
She's gonna come out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. She got her beautiful lips done. Oh, let me see. Who got them? Who'd you get them done by?
Me, myself, and I.
Oh, we're at Target. Come on, twin. My little twin.
I'm the twin too.
No, you're not.
Let me see.
Ow, bye.
what?
I'm the twin. We're wearing gray.
Look, she's wearing a hat.
No, actually, we're just because we're wearing
I'm
this.
wearing like the same thing, then a Raider shirt and then a hat.
We're wearing same leggings.
They're not the same, they're different. And my nose is peeling.
Look
you guys
at how
a
beautiful
lot?
over here. Look at it.
Oh god dang it. Are you like sweating or something?
No, go pay.
No, it's just water.
Chequeando la clearance. Let me see. What are you doing? Oh, we're looking for my mom and we can't find her.
She always says that she's in the baby clothes. I don't know why she's
Where's
in
my
the baby
mom?
clothes.
My mamaita. She's either in the clearance or the
She's
shoes.
not in there. She's not in there.
In the shoes.
Whoever finds her wins.
Whoever finds her first. She's usually here. She's over here? You're a little liar. She's not here. Let me see. No. And I'm letting it took too long now. She could see it. Go that way, go that way.
Go run.
We came to the buffet over here.
What did she say buffet?
Buffet. I don't know if it's buffet or buffet.
I told her I went to the
Stop
buffet.
taking him. Hi, ma. Nomás di hola. She doesn't like getting recorded. ¿Quién va a ir a agarrar comida primero? Okay. Go. It's good. Just eat it all.
What is
Come
that
on.
thing right there?
I think it's a tuna, spicy tuna or something like that.
Can't.
Oh.
Yeah, you can have it.
No. Okay, we'll put it over here. Eat it right now. This is what we come for. Eat it. Eat it. I thought you guys were gonna
I don't really like that.
Oh, I didn't get ranch. We're all in the fitting room. Oh, I like those. Se mira bonito. We're all in the fitting room.
This Mexican lady.
Let me see. Those look nice. ¿Qué te dijo
No,
mi ma?
Mexicana.
A ver. Yeah, those look nice.
I'm gonna wear tomorrow with my white Jordan.
Ay, come on.
Take it off.
No.
Kill him.
Tres.
Suavecito.
Sing, keep singing. Why don't
You sing. Suavecito. Go, you too.